Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore sales tax setup in Avalara for accurate filings, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Avalara account. Navigate to the settings section on your dashboard. Select sales tax setup from the options available. Review your current tax configuration. Identify the areas that require correction or adjustments. If necessary, consult your previous sales tax filings for reference. To restore your sales tax setup, click on the Restore Defaults option. This will reset your settings to the original state. Take note of any custom rates or rules you would like to retain before proceeding. Next, verify your Nexus settings. Ensure that all the states where you have tax obligations are selected. Update any address changes or business activity that could affect your tax rates. Proceed to the Tax Rules section. Review each rule to ensure they align with your current business activities. Make adjustments as needed to maintain compliance with local laws. After adjustments, head to the Tax Codes section. Verify that the appropriate tax codes are assigned to your products and services. If any codes are missing, add them as required. Now, move on to exemptions. Make sure all necessary exemption certificates are uploaded and properly categorized. Return to the main settings page and click on Test Configuration. Run a test to confirm that your sales tax calculations are operating correctly. Once satisfied with the results, save all your changes. Document any significant updates for your records. Finally, schedule regular reviews of your tax setup. This will help ensure continued compliance and accuracy over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.